Welcome back, Motor Future. The all-new 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 is here, and it's redefining what a modern pickup can be. Whether you're towing, hauling, commuting, or just looking to make a statement, this truck brings an aggressive edge, thoughtful innovation, and serious power to the table. Today on Motor Future, we're diving deep into what makes the 2026 Sierra 1500 a standout in an increasingly competitive market. So, buckle up. The first thing you notice is that bold front fascia. GMC has refined the Sierra's face while keeping its muscular presence intact. The grille is now even more prominent, wider, sharper, and trimmed with signature C-shaped LED daytime running lights that give it an unmistakable look. The headlights themselves have been upgraded to high-definition adaptive LEDs, offering better visibility with a modern flair. The hood bulges with authority, and air curtains around the front wheel arches aid in aerodynamics while enhancing the truck's aggressive profile. For those opting for the Denali Ultimate trim, the chrome accents are darker and more refined, creating a premium yet commanding presence. Move around to the rear, and you'll find a tailgate that continues to set benchmarks. The Multi-Pro tailgate remains a game-changer. It offers 6 different configurations, from a standing workstation to a full step for easier bed access. And new for 2026, there's now a built-in wireless charging pad integrated into the tailgate itself, perfect for charging tools or devices on the go. LED taillights have been reshaped for a more dynamic look, and the rear bumper now includes repositioned steps for easier entry, especially handy if you're working with a lifted model. Depending on the trim, you'll find polished dual exhausts, satin-finished skid plates, or even off-road-inspired steel bumpers with red tow hooks. Everything about the rear feels purpose-built and premium. Interior: step inside the 2026 Sierra 1500, and you're met with a cabin that feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. GMC has pushed the interior game even further with richer materials, better tech, and thoughtful design throughout. On the Denali Ultimate and at 4X trims, real wood accents and full-grain leather dominate the space. The seats are both heated and ventilated, with massage functions now available on more trim levels. For 2026, GMC has introduced a new ambient lighting system that wraps around the cabin, adjustable via the infotainment screen. It adds a surprisingly sophisticated vibe during night drives. Speaking of screens, front and center is a 13.4-inch diagonal touchscreen that runs GMC's latest infotainment software, fast, responsive, and now with even deeper Google built-in integration. You've got access to Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store right from the dash. To complement this, there's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch head-up display that offers customizable layouts depending on your driving mode. Need to see trailer info? Off-road data? It's all just a few swipes away. The center console has been redesigned for better storage, and now includes wireless phone charging with cooling tech to prevent overheating. Even rear passengers are treated to heated seats, USB-C ports, and more legroom thanks to slightly reworked seat geometry. The Sierra's cabin is now one of the quietest in the segment too, with active noise cancellation and improved insulation across the board. It's genuinely a place you want to spend time in, whether you're hauling lumber or heading out for a weekend getaway. Performance: under the hood, GMC continues to offer a range of powerhouse engines. Returning for 2026 is the 6.2-liter V8, delivering a thunderous 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. For those who prioritize efficiency without compromising power, the 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel has been retuned for better low-end torque and improved towing. The base engine, a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, now pumps out a very respectable 325 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, making it more capable than many V6s on the market. GMC has also worked on the transmission, refining the 10-speed automatic for quicker, smoother shifts. It's especially noticeable when you're towing or switching between drive modes. And about those modes, new to 2026 is a fully adaptive drive mode system that reads terrain and driver input in real time to tweak throttle response, suspension, and traction control. It makes off-roading feel seamless and city driving more refined. On the road, the Sierra feels commanding. The steering is precise for a truck this size, and body roll has been reduced thanks to an updated suspension geometry. The available adaptive ride control on Denali and at 4X trims makes highway cruising buttery smooth, while off-road trims get enhanced dampers and underbody protection. The Sierra's max towing capacity sits just over 13,000 pounds when properly equipped, and a slew of trailering aids, including a new trailer blind zone alert system, makes the experience less stressful for weekend warriors and professionals alike. Now let's talk numbers. The base model Sierra Pro starts just under $40,000, offering great value for a rugged work truck with solid tech. Step up to the SLT or elevation trims, and you're looking at mid-$50,000s depending on options. The at4 and at4X variants, geared toward off-road enthusiasts, range from $60,000 to $75,000. And if you're aiming for peak luxury and capability, the Denali Ultimate will run you north of $85,000, but it's arguably the most refined and powerful Sierra ever made. GMC is also expected to offer more competitive lease and finance options for the 2026 model, especially as they aim to maintain strong market share against the F-150 and Ram 1500. There's even word of an all-electric Sierra in the works, so buyers looking toward future sustainability may want to keep an eye out. Thanks for watching today's in-depth review. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed vehicle reviews every week, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the Sierra over its Ford or Ram rivals? This is Motor Future, and we'll see you in the next drive.